Green screen iPhone 14 Pro Max? Damn, what happened to your phone, man?
That's crazy, man. I was in the pool with my phone. I would say it's waterproof. I was diving with my phone in my pocket for 3 minutes. And look at that.
3 minutes, you got the green screen.
I don't understand. They say waterproof. What is this? They say they can do anything about it.
What, the Apple Store?
Yeah.
So you stuck with a $1,500 phone. You cannot do anything. Don't worry, I got you.
Thank you.
Damn, look at this water, guys. iPhone, you are big failed already. They said it's waterproof, but it's already water everywhere. Look at the screen. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's how you know it's water damage, because of this red sticker. No, don't throw it. Second attempt. Give him.
Yo, bye, bye.
We have to dry water inside the cameras now. Surgery time. There is water still inside the bracket and on top of the camera. Now we need to dry the cameras. See the water around it? Lens, Q-tips. Looking fresh. Yeah, it looks like it's not charging, it's not working. The screen is black. It's not turning on.
Oh shit.
I think you dropped really bad in the water. What did you need it for? For the information?
Yeah.
Yeah, the baby's information? Sorry, man.
Fuck that.
Yep.
I will sue Apple, man.
You should, because the camera is, I cleaned it, but let me see. Your phone is ready, sir.
Oh, you fucking bad. I will sue this one. Oh shit. There you go. We ready, guys. He the best. He the best.
Yeah.
Now I got my discount, you know what I'm saying?
You thought it was done, huh?
Yeah.
You see? That's how I get you.
Right. Yeah, man.
I have to play with you.
Yeah, I was just scared, man. I'm like, shit.
Everything
He
is
was
there.
already telling me, should I trade it in? Should I just take it to T-Mobile? Should I just sell it back?
Check the camera.
Oh, let me
Check your
Look
camera.
at though.
Oh.
If the camera is working.
Yeah.
Yeah, brand new.
Let me see myself. Oh yeah, it's working, huh? It's good?
Yep. Brand new, guys. He's the best.
Put on accordion.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's fast.